Same in this, I haven't moved from this spot yet. That's like a dime noise. It's right here. I might just cherry pick this because I don't know how long I get to stay here. And I probably won't be back for a while. So I may just cherry pick for some high numbers. There's so many coins in here. Oh, here's another. It has a dime. That's what I thought. It's on the 80, 79, 80. Okay. Let's shoot for some high numbers here. I can't believe all the coins I found in this one spot. And there's so many more numbers. Okay, let's keep an eye on. Another coin spill. And I have to go get my wife, so I can't stay here. Did I miss it that bad? I didn't pinpoint it, so. Right there. It's an 80, it's probably a dime. Oh, this is really easy digging here. Alright. I missed it. Missed it. Alright, where'd it go? $66. All right. Did I flip it over here? Or just a coin that's sitting over here? Oh no, it's a penny. Where's that dime? That's a dime. I just flipped it funny. Funny, funny. Yeah, there's a lot of coins out here. I guess the old people out here don't like to go metal detecting. Oh well, I hate leaving targets. There's a lot of coins here. Wow. I didn't do over here though. They need a mode over here. There's another dime. Sounds like a dime. Alright, this has got to be the last one because where'd it go? It's underneath? Yeah, it's in the plug. It's a dime. Another dime. Alright. We definitely got to come back to this part. Could spend a whole day here, easily, many days. That's like a 90. $94. Alright, this is the last one, guaranteed. I guarantee. It has to be the last one. Alright. Oh wow, spill. Whoa, look at that baby. 2 quarters in a row there. They freaked out on that one. This is really mineralized too. Wow, 2 quarters on top of each other. That is awesome. Alright, they gotta come back here. So let's see, we were only here for an hour. And I dropped my wife off with her mom to the doctor's. What did we get here? Well, I took my metal detector. Otherwise I'd be sitting there fooling with my phone. I gotta hurry up here. Quick video. This part is loaded with coins and nothing old really per se. A lot of dimes, and did find a lot of pennies, but then I started finding quarters because I started to cherry pick a little bit. But you know how that is. Gotta get out of here. This is a previous dig. The rest I left the trash in my thing here. So we had pretty good finds here today. Got 4 quarters, an hour, and we found a bunch of dimes too. It's a dime, no wheat pennies, darn it. Another dime, penny. They're not crusty though, that's kind of cool. I like the last batch I got. These are all pennies here. Memorial pennies. Alright. Not a bad haul. Another dime. Gotta make sure you don't throw anything good. Alright. So this park definitely has not been searched. I'm not going to show it so much because I want to come back. And I found a few coins in the tot lot. And not as many though. I think some people just come to do that because it's just easier to do. Alright. See you next time, guys.